Good day everyone. I'm Lagua Polandro M from Group 1, 1ITC. I'm here to present the initialized account in our program. First, we will start with our basic account. We set account 1 to 123. For the PIN, we set it 1 to 11. The balance of the account is 10,000. Total withdrawal today is 0. It is 0 because there are no withdrawn yet. Daily limit is 25,000. If the user tries to withdraw more than 25,000, the ATM will stop the transaction. Attempt 0. If 3 failed login attempts happens, the account will be locked. In premium account, we set the account for 56. We set the PIN 222. The balance of the account is 20,000. Total withdrawal today is 0. No money has been withdrawn yet today. This account can withdraw up to 50,000. Doubles the basic accounts. Set attempt 0, none yet. For the VIP account, we set the account for 789. For the PIN 333. The balance of the account is 50,000. The largest balance as far. Set attempt 0, none yet has happened.
So, first, the program asks the user to enter their account number and PIN. So, proceed tayo sa next. So, sa if account equals account 1, then i-check niya yung account number and then enter matches the stored account in the system. If doesn't match, the program ignores it. But it is correct, magko-continue siya sa next step. So, dito tayo sa next. So, if attempts 1 greater equal 3, so, before mag-ask ng PIN, the system checks if the account has already been locked because of too many PIN attempts. If the user already failed 3 times, so it will show a message saying the account is locked. So ito yan. Magdi-display siya ng basic account is locked. So and if 3 different accounts get locked, different accounts get locked, the program will completely for security reasons. Yan. So proceed tayo dito sa PIN. So if dito sa PIN, if PIN equals PIN 1, then so dito chine-check if entered PIN is correct. If it matches, the login successful and all the attempt counters are reset. But if the PIN is wrong, the system adds 1 to the attempt count. Yan. Tapos after 3 wrong tries, the account gets locked. So yan. So dito pag tama yung PIN, so mag-login successful agad siya. So pag nakatatlong attempt ka naman ng PIN, agad siya, maglalak agad yung account. So yan, dito tayo sa menu yan. So once na nakalagin ka na, the user sees 3 options. Number 1, deposit. Number 2, withdraw. Number 3, check balance. So dito tayo so pag pinili ng user is deposit, so dito the program as how much they want to deposit. So dito mag-enter ka dyan ng amount kung magkano i-deposit mo. It checks if the amount is valid, meaning it should be more than 0 dito. Once na-confirm na, mag-a-add siya ng amount sa current balance. Dito. Magdi-display siya ng deposit successful. Okay. So, case 2 naman tayo. Withdraw. So, if the user naman, if pinili naman ng user is withdraw, so the system asks how much they want to want to take out. It checks if the user enough balance has enough balance. If the amount doesn't exceed the daily limit, so daily limit, if everything is okay, it deducts the amount in the and display the new balance. So dito, magdi-display siya ng withdraw successful kapag hindi mag-update din yung balance niya. So, case 3 tayo, check balance. Pag pinili naman ng user, check balance, show siya ng account here which is basic. So, tsaka yung current balance niya. Walang mangyayari dito siya. Magdi-display lang siya ng information. Yan. Dito. So, dito, tatanungin tayo ng kung gusto pa natin ng another transaction dito. So, after finishing sa ating transaction, gusto nyo pa another one transaction yan. If they type Y, they can continue. Yes, pag nag-type sila ng yes. If they type no, mag-end na yung part ng transaction. So, dito tayo sa another. So, dito naman tayo sa do you want to log in another account? So, dito naman sa do you want to log in another account? After natin ma-finish lahat ng transaction, dito, i-ask ng program si user kung gusto niya pa mag-login sa ibang account. So, yan. If no naman yung sinabi niya, magdi-display agad siya ng program codes, mag-i-stop agad siya dito. So, kapag yes naman, babalik agad siya dun sa pinaka-login. So, dun mag-login ulit siya.
Good day everyone. I'm Mark Vincent R. Capusete from 1ITC Group 1. I'm here to present the continuation of pseudocode in premium account of our program. In account lockout, if the user has 3 failed attempts, the system will display a message saying premium account is locked. Try another account. And if the login is a success, the system will display a welcome message, login successful, along with the menu of the premium account. In the menu, it offers you 3 different options: deposit, withdrawal, and check balance. In deposit, you simply enter the withdrawal you want to deposit and the system will check if the amount is valid. And then the amount will be added to your balance. In withdrawal, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and the system will once again check if the amount is valid and if you have a sufficient balance. Then the amount will be subtracted from your balance and the daily withdrawal limit will be updated. In check balance, it will just view your current balance. And finally, transaction processing. After each transaction, you'll be asked if you want to perform another transaction. If you choose to continue, you'll be presented with the option to see the premium account menu again. If you choose to stop, you'll be asked if you want to log into another account. And if you refuse, then the program will stop. That is all. Thank you. E.
Good day everyone, my name is Carl Adrian A. Aligado from Group 1 ITC. Today I'm going to discuss our pseudocode. Here, the user will input the account number and then enter the PIN number. Let's say for example, the user chose the 789 account number and then the PIN is 333. He will proceed here in VIP account. If attempts is greater than or equal to 3, it will display the VIP account is locked. Try another account. And then if nag-try siya ng attempt pa ulit and then if lock login attempt is greater than or equal to 3, it will display too many lock accounts, and then the program will be automatically closed. If pin is equal to pin 3, and then attempts is equal to 0, lock login attempt is equal to 0, it will display login successful. And then it will display the VIP account. And then here is the transaction menu. The user will choose whatever transaction he want to make. Let's say, for example, the user choose this transaction 1, which is the deposit. Here, the user will enter the amount he want to deposit. While deposit is less than or equal to 0, it will display invalid amount. Please re-enter the amount you want to deposit. And then if ang amount naman na in-enter ni user is valid, of course, it will display deposit successful and then the new balance. Then here, this is the withdraw. The user will enter the amount he want to withdraw. While withdraw is less than or equal to 0, it will display invalid amount. Please re-enter the amount you want to withdraw. And then here, if withdraw or the amount you want to withdraw is greater than balance, it will display not enough balance. And if the amount you want to withdraw is less than the balance, or it is a valid number or a valid amount, it will display withdraw successful and then the updated balance. And then here in case 3, which is the check balance, it will display the balance of the account. And then here, default, let's say for example, the user enter an invalid number. Let's say number 4, 5, 6, and etc. Kasi dun sa transaction menu, up to 1 to 3 lang siya. If nag-input siya ng 4, 5, 6, and etc., it will display invalid transaction. Here, the user will be asked if he want to enter another transaction. If no, magpo-proceed na siya dito sa do you want to log in another account. But if the user enter Y or yes, Y for yes, babalik siya sa dito to enter another transaction. If no, do you want to log in another account? If he answered N for no, the program will be automatically closed. If yes, if he answer Y, babalik siya sa dito to enter another account number and then to enter another PIN. And after he enter another account number and another PIN, it will check if the PIN or account number he input is correct. If the PIN number he input is incorrect, and then naka 3 attempts na siya, it will display incorrect PIN. And then if 3 attempts naman na yung nagawa niya, it will display the account is locked. And then if the user input a invalid number, it will display the account not found. And then pwede siyang mag-try up to 3 attempts. If the total login failed attempt is greater than or equal to 3, it will display you have used all login attempts. And then it will display program closed. So that's it. I hope you understand.